In this video we are going to learn about audio effects. So I have taken two clips. Now go to effects panel and click audio effect. In this audio effect there are so many effects, but here we are going to learn about stereo imagery. So add this effect into both the clips. Now I will play the video.
At least 5 to 7
This
hours
is normal one, and this is added effect. But we have to do some tweakings. So let's go to effect control, and here you can see stereo expander. Go to custom setup, edit, and move this channel center channel pan into right. Now I will play the audio.
Start with, I want to give you my 7-step framework for free. How I was able.
As you can see, it has gone to right and the audio will be visible at right stereo. And if I go to another clip and same as I do and move this center channel panel to left, you will listen the audio in the left stereo. So that's it for today.